Okay, so let's start our report by index buffer. Okay. In this indices, this line defines an array of indices that specifies the order in the vertices should be rendered. As for this code, these are the lines generate the vertex buffer object, which is VBO, vertex array object, which is VAO, and element buffer objects, which is EBO, that are used to store the vertex and index data. And this line binds the vertex array object. As for this line, binds the vertex buffer object and upload the vertex data to the GPU. Okay, for this line binds the elemental buffer object and upload the index data to the GPU. And this line specify how the vertex data is laid out in the memory and enable the vertex attribute array. Okay, so for our last line, this line unbinds the vertical array object. So in this code of explaining, dito namin nagawa yung triangle na to. At itong indices ang pinaka-importanteng part kasi dito namin nagawa yung triple triangle. Okay, and that's the report of index buffer. Thank you.